she wears. How much things I will buy, that's so much so good. Now, let's play with them, see what we've got, like, one by one. Okay, so, I'm going to show what we've got on my one. We've got, let me take this off the camera. We've got a mum. Got your some more things at all. We've got a mum and some gold shoes. And actually, I think this is her accessory. It's like an ancient Egypt colour. Like, Egypt colour. So, yeah, this is what she looks like with it on. Cutesy. Now let's take it off. Now we've got, like, this bag, pink hair. Very nice. And I think this is his sunglasses. We've got the dad's pizza hat. We've got a cat. I think dog. We've got another hat. If there's a baby, I'm going to pretend that this is the baby's bed. Oh my god, that's such a cute baby. As a size. We've got these 4 cups. So, 4 cups. Got a camera, so probably the mum's dressed up. The mum's kind of dressed up already, but let's just put her accessories on. There's her jewellery. Now let's put the bow on. She looks cutesy, very cutesy actually. The dad, we've got his sunglasses. Let's put these. I'll get back to you when I put the sunglasses. We've got the dad's sunglasses on now. Let's put his pizza hat on. There's his hat. Very nice. And here's the baby's already dressed. These two, that's already dressed. I'm just going to pretend the baby's bed. I can't find anything to put the baby in, so I'm just putting it in this sphere. Alright, so now we're just going to play with it. But try and put this way. So the baby's in, like, this hat, and this glitter pink hat. What you can see. So I'm just going to pretend like we're making fit, and it's going to... And then just cut the part up. We do not need this one, that's it. We've got our cartoon and pieces. And so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, you. So far we're going to get to the door. Okay. Now we're going to get to the baby.